Malik. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Marc Jacobs tote bag review. This is the small leather Marc Jacobs tote bag in the color Twine. And it says small, but this is a nice size. Like, to me, I would consider this like a medium bag to me, because I'm pretty short. I'm like 4'10", so you know, me wearing this bag, it's not a small bag on me, but it's a nice size. I like bigger bags anyway, because I like to carry a decent amount of stuff in there, and it's like, you know, you're gonna have your stuff in there when you need it. So I'm that person that, you know, I gotta carry everything every time I leave somewhere, and it's just like, you know, it's a necessity, you know, you got to. It's like, I don't like leaving out and be like, dang, I wish I would have put this in my purse, or, you know, asking somebody else if they have it, because I already got it in here, okay? But yeah, so this is that, and the side, it has a little handle on there, and yeah, this is new, so I haven't took that off yet. And there's no handle on this side, it's just on this side. And then on the back, it has the writing on it, the Marc Jacobs style tote bag. It says NYC, the year 1984, so you got the little details on there. And I just love this. It's just giving very much like minimalist, but it still give you that, you know, luxury, classy, just simple. It's simple, but it's classy. Like, you know, it's not basic, it's just simple, okay? But yes, like, this is a nice size bag, and it came with a wrong side little tote bag duster. So, you know, when you switch out your bags, you can put your tote bag inside of here so you don't get dust or dirt on it. And, you know, and that's necessary, since this is the lighter color bag that I got. And yes, I'm gonna make sure I keep up with this one. And it comes with a strap on it, just in case you want to wear it as a crossbody. I'm pretty sure, I love holding my bags like this, so I'm pretty sure I'm not going to wear it as a crossbody. But you know, I might one day. You know, you in a rush and you want to just have something hanging on your shoulder, you know. But for everyday thing, I'm definitely gonna hold it like this, because what? But yeah, I'm trying to lift this up so y'all can see like the sizing next to me. This is how big it is. Like I said, it is a small, but compared to me, like, this is a fairly large bag on me, but I like the size. But this strap's like, I feel like it's meant to be held like this, because it's not really a long enough strap to wear it over the shoulder like this. But yeah, I like this bag. This is like one of my favorite bags. Like, I'm so glad I got this bag. I've been looking online at this bag for I don't know how long, and then I had to tell myself, like, girl, if you want it, get it. Like, that's just the move, just every time for me. Like, you know, just get it, because why would you sit there and not get something that you really want, and then you just like, man, I wish I would have got that. Or you keep looking at it, and it's just like, if you keep looking at something, that means get it. Like, why not? So yeah. Yeah, I'm so happy, because this is like the perfect color. Like, I love neutral, like tan colors. Like, this is it for me. So I'm going to show y'all what else is inside the bag. Trying to get this right for y'all. So let's see, it comes with the strap, of course, the tissue paper in there to keep the shape. You know, you don't want a flat tote bag. More tissue paper. Okay, so it actually has, show y'all. It actually, that is so cute. I don't know if y'all can see. There y'all go. It has a little compartment right here. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to make sure y'all can see everything. I'm gonna lift it up. Here we go. I pulled it out the bag. This is it with the compartment, and it has 2 pockets right here, and then it says the Marc Jacobs right here. That is so cute. And that's the little pocket too. I like that. So, and didn't even see that one. It's a zipper right there. Okay, I like that. So, and y'all, with this bag, I made sure, I'm like, I'm not gonna just be throwing anything inside this bag. So I made sure I got me a purse organizer. So this is my purse organizer because, like I said, this is the Marc Jacobs tote bag. Like, you cannot mess this up. You can't just be throwing anything in there, you know, unless it's something that won't make a mess. But I keep, like, you know, lip gloss, lotion, and stuff like that, and I'm not risking messing up my bag, okay? So this is what fits in here. I got my phone, I got my portable charger, my gloss, y'all, got the Marc Jacobs perfume, you already know. But, you know, my keys, just a bunch of necessities. And so take that fit in there real nice. And this is my planner, fit in here. Let's see, I'm gonna fix you that. Just a minute, y'all, I gotta get this together, but I'm trying to show y'all what all you can fit in here. Like I said, this is a nice size bag, so you can fit pretty much everything you want to put in there. You know, you ain't gotta be like, oh, I can't fit that in this bag, because I'm sure you can. So y'all see, this is like a 8.5 by 11 size planner, so it's like the size of a notebook, and it fits in here as well. Let me put this strap in here. Yo, eventually I'm gonna cut this little plastic thing off so I can take off this longer strap, because I don't really need that strap. But yeah, y'all, if y'all been thinking about getting this bag, get this bag. Like, this is size small. The next one I'm gonna get is gonna be the mini. I want the one that's a little bit smaller. Okay, y'all, like I was saying about the next bag I'm gonna get is gonna be the mini. The original bag I was looking at was the cement color leather mini bag, and I ended up getting the Twine small bag, and I love this bag. It matched like the inside of my car, so I'm gonna have to give me some bomb pics up in there. But yeah, this is super cute. Like I said, it can be an everyday bag. This can be like, I feel like with this size, it can be like really anything, like an office bag, you know, something. I feel like you can fit like a little tablet, you know, or something in there. Or if you spending the night over somebody's house, you can just throw you some clothes or something in there. But, you know, fold up a little couple of items, because this is a good size bag. Like, it really is. I love this bag. But yeah, the next one I'm going to get is going to be the mini, because I love this bag. Like I said, this is the biggest bag that I ever bought. I thought it was going to be smaller than this, since it was called the small leather tote bag, but it's the right size for me. But the next one I'm going to get is going to be a smaller bag. I'm going to get the black one. But yeah, I love this bag. And yeah, I was showing y'all how I could fit my planner inside my bag, but this is my planner. This is the Better Days planner from Plan Reality. And y'all, if you like be all over the place and you need to like organize and stuff like that, because I feel like when you're not organized, like it take away from like productivity, and then you just be stressed out and overwhelmed because you don't know what's going on. So when you take your planner, this is the planner. It got like every month up in here, and it's like circled which month it is, so you know where you at. And then it has the goals and the notes down here at the bottom. And when you first open it up, it has the 2022 calendar. So, you know, you always got to have a calendar in front of your planner because, you know, it's just necessary. So, you have the monthly planner. And, y'all, I love this planner. Like, it literally has everything in it. The to-do list, it has today's goals, the important, the less important. You know how you got stuff to do and you just like, it be too much. So, you got to kind of... You know, I feel like it's necessary to write down, like, what you got to do that's important and what you really don't have to worry about right now. So, I like that you can put the less important right here so you know what, you know, you ain't got to get out the way, you know, until later on. And then you just put your necessities right here. So, yeah, I love that. And it's more to-do list with the check boxes on the side because... You know, I feel like that's a daily thing. Like, you have to write down what you gonna do on a daily. So, and then there's the note section here, and then there's a brainstorm section, and then y'all, you got the budgeting section right here. So you put your financial goal, your starting balance, and then you'll put, you know, how much you want to do per day, per month. And a due date, just in case, like, you want to hold yourself more accountable. You will put, you know, the date, like, you want to actually reach that goal. So, this is so perfect. And then, the monthly budget, it's like 12 pages of the monthly budget for the income. You put, you know, so you know, keep track of your finances, because a lot of people don't really... yeah, keep track of their expenses. Like, they just know that they have bills to be paid, and then they don't know how much, what costs, and then you just, you know, confused. So this helps you not be as confused. You write down the bills that needs to be paid, the amount, and the due date, and then you can write the notes on the side. And yeah, this goes on for the full 12 months. So y'all, this is gonna last you for a good year. And then you got the go. Just a second. You got the, and this is the end of it. It's just the yearly vision. You just go over, like, you know, everything that you accomplished in the full year. You go finance, career, you got relationship, you got personal growth, health, and, you know, stuff like that. And then the last page is another quote. It just says, visualize your higher self and start showing up as her. And then it says, note to self, don't quit. So yeah, y'all gotta get y'all one. But yeah, I take this planner everywhere I go, because, you know, like, it's necessary to keep it on hand, because you need to know. You need to know what you're doing, like, every day to, like I said, to keep you on track and help you, you know, achieve those goals. Just write down whatever you need to do every day, and, you know, it's better to see what you have to do than to just think about it. Because if you thinking about something, you don't write it down, chances are you're not really gonna get it done as fast as you would have if you would have wrote it down. So yeah, that's this. And I'll put down a link down below for, you know, y'all that want to check out the planner and get it, so you can stay on track of your everyday life. So yeah, I'm gonna link this down below. And yeah, y'all, that was pretty much the end of the review. As I said, this tote bag is a really good size. Y'all get y'all one. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this review, and thank y'all for watching. Bye.